let's go. Huh? Oh, fuck, there is. Hold on.
Yeah, front brake's pretty good. Cheeseburger.
What?
Cheeseburger.
I don't know what you said.
Cheeseburger. I'm loving it.
Huh?
I'm loving it. Mackie D's.
Oh yes, I know.
What was the fucking point of that? Come on! Hey! I did it again. What is it with everyone at fucking speeding? Oh, I like just having a chilled ride. Nemo, don't press the button! Wait, half of these videos, yeah, they're probably not even going to make it to YouTube. Because I just never upload. Wow, what a bell end. Oh, never mind. He was going straight over. This is the road I did my first flyby on my 125. That lay-by right there. Pretty good. No, don't touch my bottom. He tried to touch my booty hole. Wait, we can wave at everybody. Abso-fucking-lutely, that's fun. I love the fucking MT10, it sounds so good. Hey, there was someone in that sidecar. It looks sketchy, fucking hell. They run the little GoPro remotes so I can see when it's recording or not. Because you can't see in a fucking helmet. Wait. I don't know if it's on or not. Oh, it is on. You can just about see it in the dash. Love it. Fuck your life. Bing bong. Hi! Ah, the baby waved! This is one I like to call teabagging, Mom. I think that guy was like fucking swearing at us or whatever. Right. Touch his foot. Oh yeah, it's little Batman. Oh my god, it's Batman. You know, empties the old Batmobile. What the fuck? It's like a bit dusty, but it's okay. Get well soon, Mr. Pheasant. Get well soon. Pedestrian crossing, 200 yards. Hell yeah. 200 points for each one you hit. Little Willie. Little Willie. I've got Little Willie because I've got a big loud exhaust. I'm compensating for something. Yeah, Luke's got a Little Willie because he's revving. Little Willie. He's overcompensated.
Huh?
He's overcompensated.
Says you.
Wait, nah.
Says you fucking. You're loud ass.
It's on its way out. Fuck's sake.
Then all of a sudden get louder.
Huh?
Did this bark all of a sudden get louder?
Juicy. Look at that motorcycle. Fucking hell, it's busy here. Jesus Christ.